Hey, today I've got this from the nail collection Onere. It's a reflective glitter gel collection, and it is looking very pretty and pastel-y, and it's fall right now, so I'm actually gonna play with this and do some cool autumn vibes. So we are going to give this a quick swatch, and thank you so much to Sweetie Nail Supply for sending this over for me to check out. I can't wait to dive in. So we've got here just a lovely little standard color card for doing swatches on. And the packaging is great. I actually prefer this kind of like really minimal packaging because then I don't feel so bad having to throw it in the garbage. And this collection is Polish Colors FG 290 through to FG 298. So I'm going to get this unpacked and ready to go, and we're going to head right into some beautiful swatches to check out. G290 seems to be like a bit of a peach tone. And these are super sheer, but they do have some color in that jelly, just a smidge of a transparent color, so you will see it just a little, even though they're through. So I would say this is quite a sparse glitter, and that works really well sometimes for toppers and to be able to layer to get different effect when you just want a little bit of that glitter. So you will probably want to be building it up in some cases with a few layers. I'll be doing 2 coat on each of my swatches so I can see. And as I like to do sometimes with glitters, I'm just going to coat the bottom half with my second layer just so I can see the difference. It helps me quickly for grabbing for nail art, and that I can see how densely packed the glitter may or may not be and know right off the bat if I'm going to need multiple coats or not. FG 291. This is heading into the kind of rosy color. This one here gives me like rose gold vibes. And along with the pretty flash glitters that are in here, like this one in particular has like little flecks of blue glitter and of course like the rosy color glitter. There's more than just that flash in there. It gives it a little bit of kind of confetti look. See, there's kind of like blue and gold fleck flash, silver flash, all kinds. FG92, this is a super bright like Barbie pink. Such a pretty pinky color. And again, with those blue flecks. There might be a little bit of purple fleck in here too. It's just kind of hard to tell with how flashy it is. But I can definitely make out the blue. FG 293, beautiful purple. This is a very light pastel-y purple. Again, we've still got those blue flecks in there, glitter flecks, really pretty. This is giving me such like Eastery vibes. I can't wait to do some fall stuff with it. I'm super excited. You won't believe my transformation idea. Because who says you can't use pastel, bright, springy colors to do fall looks? FG 294. This is a beautiful blue, like baby blue, but leaning purpley. A little hint of purple there. Yeah, it's a blue with a tint of purple. So since this one is blue, I was wondering if it would have a different color glitter speckle in it, but no, it's just got a different shade of blue, like more of a brighter turquoisey kind of a blue, compared to this more blue genie baby blue, more of a really, really light denim color blue. On camera though, they are showing up as darker flecks rather than the kind of turquoise flecks. They are, oh, maybe there you can see it better. Yeah, there you can see kind of the turquoise flecks. It's a different shade of blue in there. G295, this is a lemony color, yellow, but kind of the tiniest hint of green. And again, we've still got those blue flecks in there, which might be why I'm seeing a hint of green as opposed to pure yellow. But it is very yellow, very lemony yellow. FG 296. This is a light green, like a light spring green, a light spring grass green. can't wait to see how these flash. Because already they're coming out pretty nice and flashy for under my lighting. And the consistency of the gel is really nice and thin. It's not at all gloopy. I really prefer that personally for a glitter. Even if it means I have to, play around a little bit to shift some of the glitters, or just go multiple thin coats that spread nice and evenly. FG297 is a beautiful teal color. Super pastel teal. It actually looks like almost a little bit minty once you get it out and on the nail, but it is very much one of those like Caribbean sea kind of teal colors. But it's got a little hint of minty kind of feel to it. This color is just so pretty. FG298, and this is a beautiful silver. Hollow flash, glittery, silver looking, beautiful. This will be absolutely gorgeous for snowflake, winter vibes, icy looks, all that kind of good stuff. It's very versatile for winter and what have you. And I feel like I'm seeing purple flecks in this one too. Definitely the blue. I thought it would be the purple, teal, or pink. That would be my favorite, but I think it's definitely this one. These types of polishes are just so versatile. Like this here you can do so much with. And so pretty. Here we are, all finished and top coated. As always, we've got matte at the base and glossy to the tip. And our tips have that double coat on them. Whereas as it goes up, there isn't a double coating on it. So that I can see with more densely packed glitter and also with much finer of a layer. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, look at those colors. They are very light and pastel-y. Such a pretty delicate vibe. And look at that flashy diamond look, even in really strong lighting. And I'll put flash on so we can see the difference. And here's the flash effect. Pretty much regardless of what your lighting's gonna be, they're gonna have a really pretty diamond quality flash going on with some really pretty flashes of color. And while these are giving me super light spring and summery vibes, I use them with some darker toned gel polishes to create a very fall inspired theme that is screaming autumn. Fall, autumn, not at all springy summer. And for this look I used the silver, obviously. I used the teal. I used the purple, the blue, and pretty sure it was this rose color. Just look at that glittery diamond effect. Oh, I'm obsessed with that. So if you're loving these colors and you'd like to see how I put together these nails, check out the video up there and you'll be able to see me do them step by step. They were a lot of fun and I'm really, really pleased with how they turned out. These polishes are gorgeous. Thank you again, Sweetie Nail Supply, for the opportunity to have a play with them. These are absolutely stunning and beautiful. I'm so excited to add them to my polish collection. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed that. As always, thanks so much for coming around to watch my videos. And of course, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!